What's up, guys? Jordan here from Show Me Vegas, back with another episode of the world-famous Show Me Vegas walking tour. This time at Circa Resort and Casino. Let's go have a look around and show you everything at this resort. We'll start the tour, as always, right inside the main entrance. Hey, a property map was not available for Circa, believe it or not, so I won't be able to use that today. Also, if you've ever been inside Circa, you know the music is insanely loud. Some of the audio didn't turn out, so I'm going to have to mix in a little voiceover here and there. Alright, immediately to your left when you come in is main registration, also the bell desk. This registration is really cool. That artwork back there is actually on a rotating billboard, really cool. Right over to the right of that is Vegas Vicky's. This is a great cocktail lounge that sits right under the neon sign of Vegas Vicky herself. The land Circa sits on used to be the site of primarily the Las Vegas Club, but also Mermaids and Glitter Gulch Strip Club. That's where Vegas Vicky came from. The casino opened first on October 28, 2020, right in the middle of the pandemic. The hotel portion itself opened later. More on that later in the video, but first, right below Vegas Vicky, you're going to find Barry's Downtown Prime. That's on the lower level. A phenomenal steakhouse. We've eaten there twice, and we will be making a video about our meal there during this stay. Alright, we're going to stick to the left side of the casino on this tour. Normally it's the right, but it makes more sense to go left this time. We'll circle the ground floor, and then we'll go upstairs and show you what's on the second floor. Immediately to the left here is the cashier. There is a cashier on the upper level as well. Just a note, this was filmed fairly early in the morning as I like to do these walkthroughs. That's why there's nobody in the casino. Normally this place is bustling, especially on the weekends. Okay, on the left here is Club 1. That's the Players Club at Circa. It's also the Players Club at Golden Gate and the D, because both of those properties are also owned by the Stevens brothers. A lot of great slots on the casino floor at Circa. I will say most of them are brand new machines. You won't find many old school slots at all. If you want to see what it's like to stay at Circa in 2024, we of course made a video. Check this video out. The link is in the description box down below. Alright, this is the southeast corner of the casino floor. That goes out to Fremont Street right there. There are escalators that take you upstairs, but that is an up-only escalator. And right next to that is Mega Bar. This is the longest bar in the state of Nevada. I know that's a weird distinction, but it is crazy long. There are 48 bar stools down this bar, along with tons of TVs and a ton of beer on tap. And on the other side of that wall outside is Circa Bar. That's the longest bar on Fremont Street. I guess Derek Stevens just has a thing for long bars. Stop and show you the middle of the casino floor. Table games are all on the main level right here. We played blackjack in here for 4 hours last night and had a great time, an absolute vibe. 3-2 blackjack, and on a Saturday night there were $15 tables. Also outside next to Circa Bar is Project Barbecue. That's out on Fremont Street, served food truck style. This is the southwest corner of the property. You see the plaza right across the street. Anytime you come in Circa, this is a 21 and up property, so you will be carded, no matter how old you look, no matter how old you are. Alright, let's flip around and see the sports book, because you might have heard of it before. On the way, on the left, this is Vegas Sports Information Network. That is a studio where they do podcasts and all things sports information. It's a nice complement to the sports book, which is right here. This is advertised as the biggest sports book in the world. Go along the edge of the sports book here and show you the slots and video poker that you can sit at and just watch sports all day long. I can't think of a better place to play slots, keno, or video poker, perhaps in all of Las Vegas. So I mentioned the hotel opened after the casino by exactly 2 months, December 28th, 2020, and it opened with 512 rooms because demand was uncertain during COVID. The rooms at Circa are absolutely phenomenal. Be sure and check out that video I mentioned earlier to see what our room looked like. We had a Circa suite and it was awesome. Right over here you see fuel. That's the convenience store here on the property. Water, soda, snacks, and Circa merchandise in there. Coming on back around this way, you'll find some restrooms and also the elevators for Legacy Club. That's the rooftop bar here at Circa. Legacy Club is awesome. We went up there last night for sunset, and aside from being really windy, it was great. Alright, let's hook back around past fuel and the concierge. These are the hotel elevators. And as you can see, we've come back into the main lobby. Alright, time to go upstairs and check out the second floor. Right here on this side of Vegas Vicky's are the escalators that take you upstairs. Like I said, all the restaurants here at Circa are up on the second floor. Let's go this way. Right in front of me is Jackpot's. That is the coffee shop. You can grab some pastries, some snacks, and of course coffee in there. Right next to that is the walkway to Garage Mahal, which is the parking garage here at Circa. It's across the street next to the plaza. Another entrance to the hotel elevators. You do have to swipe your card and go through a turnstile to get into the hotel elevators, your room key, rather. Upstairs is where you're going to find the high limit room. That's high limit slots on our left. Another cashier on both levels. And then high limit tables is right here in the corner. That's next to 8 East, a very highly regarded Asian restaurant here. It's been here since Circa opened. Alright, into the second level casino now. A great selection of slots. I see some slots here on this casino floor that I've not seen at other casinos. So a really good selection. Over here on our left is Saginaw's. That's the 24/7 deli/cafe here at Circa. We might just be grabbing a bite of breakfast in there after I get finished with this tour. Back out toward the middle. Like I said, no table games up here on the second floor. I think there did used to be some in this area here, but not anymore. Let's go left. This is where you're going to find the entrance to Stadium Swim. Right around the corner there is the longest escalator you've ever seen in your life, guaranteed. Takes you up to Stadium Swim. The pool area here at Circa, open year-round. We're going to go check that out this afternoon. Right next to that, Circa Swim, Circa Collections, and Circa Essentials, all one big store. Swimwear, clothing, essentials for your pool day or your night. Now, every Vegas resort has retail, but it's pretty unusual to see a branded store right on the casino floor like that. Lids here. We saw the bottom of this escalator earlier at the end of Mega Bar. Alright, let's keep going left and see a couple of other things. Right in front of us, Victory Burger. Burgers and wings. Never have had the chance to eat there, although I've seen some of the food and it looks pretty good. Really cool how it overhangs the sports book here, so if you get some counter seating, you can look over and catch a little bit of the action. Here you have the sports book from the upper level. Again, slots, video poker, keno, overlooking the sports book, a really cool place to play. Right over here you've got Overhang Bar. So named because it overhangs the sports book. And these 4 seats right here might be the best seats in the house. Also here upstairs you have Circa Sports betting desk. Place your bets right there. Have a seat at the sports book and watch the action. Alright, let's go back downstairs, go right through the middle of the casino, and we'll wrap this up. See Vegas Vicky's from the other side, and there she is, a beautifully restored original Fremont neon sign. Little plaque over here that has the details on her. Right down the middle of the casino, again, all the table games. A great atmosphere. Tables were packed last night, but yet you could still find $15 3-2 blackjack. Can't beat that in Vegas in 2024. Hey, that's it for this one, guys. Hopefully you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss our videos when they come out in the future. We have a ton of these walkthrough videos on the channel, just about every place on the Strip. Not quite, but we're working on it. Once again, thanks as always for watching. We'll see you in the next one because there's always more for us to show you on Show Me Vegas.